yummy on your tummy. Guys, please continue watching to get to know my recipe. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those who are new, my name is Anne and I love cooking. So for today's menu, we'll be making eggplant with beef. And before I forget this, yeah guys, we are in a mission to get 500 subscribers. So if you enjoy watching this, please consider subscribing. Yeah guys, our main ingredients will be eggplant and beef, so but other ingredients are gonna come up. Yeah, so keep watching. Yeah, so kama kawaida, I always wash my beef or my meat before cooking it. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I know some people debate whether to wash their meat or not, but yeah, for us in our kitchen, we'll be washing our meat. Yeah, once it's ready, in a pan, add some water and add your beef. Then we'll be seasoning it with salt and bring it to boil. Chop your garlic and ginger into very tiny pieces. Then we'll be adding them into the boiling beef. And yeah, this is just gonna give it the flavor as it's boiling. And also we'll add some beef cube seasoning and cover and let it continue boiling. Yeah guys, this is something new that I'm now doing. So when you're watching my video, please don't forget to mention on the comment section where you're watching it from so that I can send you my love. And thank you always for supporting me. So guys, my favorite part in the kitchen about cooking is the chopping part. So we're gonna chop our onions into desirable shape. I'm not gonna limit you, so if you want to do it juliennes, if you want to do it in cubes, it's up to you. But yeah, let's chop the onions. Then later on, I'm gonna be chopping some coriander, and this is it's gonna be used for garnish only, and I will just add it at the last minute. Then after that, I'll be chopping our eggplant. Yeah, so for my eggplant, I'm gonna just chop them into nice cubes, like the same shape as our beef and size, so that at least it doesn't disappear. For eggplants, when you cook it, the shape is gonna get smaller, and if you do it so tiny, it's gonna disappear or get mushy. Guys, did you know that eggplant is rich in many nutrients? Yeah, the nutrients include but not limited to vitamin C and K, potassium, fiber, carbs, proteins. Yeah, guys, eggplant may also promote blood sugar control. Yeah, since it has fiber, and the fiber can lower your blood sugar by slowing the rate of digestion and absorption of sugar into the body. This is amazing, right? Yeah, I was just reading this. I can't remember which website, and I thought I should share this with you. Guys, with eggplant, you can have it with either rice or ugali or chapati or anything you love, any starch of your choice, and you'll never go wrong with this. My other ingredients will include onions, garlic, ginger, coriander, tomato paste, chili or pili pili, and some seasoning that I'll be using like Chef's Secret and beef cube. Yeah, so guys, once all the water in the pan was consumed, as you can see, my beef looks like brown, as if it's getting burned. Yeah, it wasn't burned, but this is nice and it's gonna give the good color, brown color. Yeah, so I added some oil in the pan with the meat and I started stirring, trying to take off the sticky brown stuff on the pan. Then after that, I'll be adding some onion and chili or pili pili. Utaanza kwenda kumboda. At this moment, you can now add your eggplants. So I went ahead and added them and started to stir so that all the chili and the previous ingredients can be absorbed with the eggplant. Yeah, so after that, I added my tomato paste just at the corner. Then I started stirring, trying to what do I say? Yeah, trying to get off the brown sticky parts of the meat again. Yeah, so once the tomato paste is cooking, you can now cover and add some water and bring it to boil. Yeah, before adding water, please add in your spices that you love. That's chef secret. And I'm gonna add a little bit of salt. This is what you want it to look like prior to adding your water. As you can see, this normal red color, it's like the color there is brownish or yeah, whatever color you say, but yeah, it's giving a good color. Then I added a little bit of water, then covered to cook.
Don't harm baby.
Guys, the food is done. It's all cooked, and as you can see, it's giving it. So it's time to garnish our food, and I threw in our coriander and give it a little bit stir, and at this moment you can serve your food. Yeah, thank you guys for watching up to this end, and don't forget to comment where you're watching from so that I can give you my love. Thank you guys. Don't also forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed. I forgot to mention this, that our eggplant, we'll be eating it with sima, or you can call it ugali or fufu. Yeah, and nakwambia ili slap. It was very tasty. You should all try this. See you then in my next video.